chick, you make me call me Superman. Beat tall girls in a single bound. I'm single now, got no ring on his finger now. I never let another chick bring me down.
Been busy working all night, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it right. They know what I'm living like. I've been busy going all out, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it now. Everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down. Okay, I run it all, I got it all. I know they wanna watch it fall, but I'm a ball. I gotta get them all the calls so I can haul the way to go. And they gon' know the day I blow. I got game, but I never play around now. Got chains, but I never stay down now. Got flame, if they talking about my name, then they're gonna see my aim, and I'm about to go to town now. They always been telling me no, telling me no. But I know when I flow that I'm never letting go of the things I was told when the money didn't grow. Like, hold up, let me throw it up. While they go down, they gon' pick it up, cause they know now that they better bow down to the kid with a crown and a gown, and I run it in my hometown. We got it, and everybody know that we bout it. Don't get in my way, I don't play with a fake. Gotta break off anyone that's only gonna take my dough now. We got it, and everybody know that we bout it. I'm focused on winning, no blocking my vision. I'm never gonna stop until we make a million. I've been busy working all night, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it right. They know what I'm living like. I've been busy going all out, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it now. Everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down.
All these haters are rob me. They both all wanna sign me. Got find me. Guess who would've thought that I'm stacking this paper by something that started a hobby? Making this money, but that don't define me. Or the women that want me. Second we enter the venue, they gon' give it up for just truth and bazooka. Gotta get it for the day, staying back, and I know that I'll make it. I got the schematic. Tell me I'll fail, but it's clear that I'm passing. From knowing the basement to raising the attic. I'm fucking the game, and ain't nothing the same. So I swear on a name in my lane. Shade on my name, never had it, and no I won't have it. So haters refrain. I ain't go straight from the ways of the savage life. Most thing I know is a lavish life. Checking, I'm keeping the G to the death. You ain't never gonna catch me, right? I ain't go straight from the savage life. Most thing I know is a lavish life. Checking, I'm keeping the G to the death. You ain't never gonna catch me, right?
I've been busy working all night, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it right. They know what I'm living like. I've been busy going all out, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it now. Everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down, 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 down. Now everybody gonna bow down.
Write the lights out and take the mic out. I got my flow right now. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. I write my life down, and with my sight now, I got my hair right somehow. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. Hey, my life is different than the picture I painted. The pain and deferred the pain, or maybe that's how I drain it, or maybe that's how I contain it till I spill it to you. You wrote me once and said I saved your life, you saved mine too. When depression was resting on my conscience like daily, I never second guessed my sanity. I knew I was crazy, but that crazy was good, because that crazy was Tommy. They tried to force the pharmaceuticals to reform and harm me, but I just did me and dove into art. I started draining, never seen the place I'm at from the start. But all in all, well, this is just a letter saying thanks. You take the words of imperfections, and this the music it makes.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've
Is it wrong to think that I can change a whole generation? I mean, my mind is racing, I'm impatient in tracing my scheme. Finger on the trigger when experiencing the 90s. Metamorphosis morphing importance that I store behind me. Hey, I'm thinking far-fetched, nothing is far-fetched. Far-fetched in my dreams, it seems the means are complex. More complex than I thought, and I'm becoming obsessed. I'm lucky I have my art from the start. I've been blessed, hey. I play with words that curve and bend shadows. I'm learning pretty quick, the exposure is half the battle. The lighting ain't the lightning that I wanted to capture, but I still show the youth the truth with hopes I make it through the rapture. But hope won't do it, and neither will fear, and neither will arguing of what they say is real. So accept the views and then express where you stand. I'm like a single hit away from a spot that I'll never land.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. So let me drain my soul, so let me live my life, so let me just be me until the end of time. So let me do my job, so let me find myself, I do the best I can.
It's a feeling I'm feeling, the universe on hold. I'm here for a purpose, searching for all the untold. My stress level's absent, I'm asking fashion and soul. But I'm cut from a cloth that they never watch you unfold. Whoa, this life is deeper than you know. For the times they beat you down, well that's the moment that you grow. Don't overthink it, man, that's just how it goes. Take the moments of your highs and average those with your lows. Say, now that's life in a shell. And when they ask about your status, they ain't hoping for well. Hey, that's why I play these beats to train. Every syllable I write, release a decibel of pain.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things